Yeye! Nagda-drive pa siya bago mag-marathon. Ano pa?
Nakakain ko yung pagkain eh.
Oo, ang galing-galing mo. Para sa athlete yan eh. Para sa athlete yan eh.
Nagutom palagi.
Si Yeye. Siya saan ko punta?
Free breakfast daw. Good for you. May breakfast.
O, so sa'yo na yon.
Hindi sa inyo yun kasi may free breakfast ako sa Billy.
Yay! Wow! Wow,
may laundry.
May laundry siya.
Sana pala, dinala ko dito yung labada na.
Free Polaroid. Bugs. Bugs.
Hindi kami tumatanggi bisa sa free.
Libre, freebie. O, pack. Pack.
Welcome to Bar Dreamers, home and family and summer. Good luck this weekend. Don't forget to stay hydrated and energized. We are rooting for you. Ah!
Ah, taray!
Shower pa.
Ah!
Wow!
Ah!
Okay.
Thank you.
Pakita mo sa camera.
Sponsor. Gatorade. Optic Growers.
Nutribar.
Thank you po sa...
Tapos yun yung basket.
Oh, cacao nibs and chips. What is nibs?
Ano yung gagawin mo? Ba't ka nakaganyan?
Let's go for sub 5 or sub 6.
Woo!
Lord.
Hello! Ano, kamusta?
Okay naman.
Paano yan? Hindi ka puyat? Mamaya. Hey! Cute. Oh, ano yan?
Gel stove. Every 30 minutes. May pag-ganyan tayo, syempre.
Basahin mo.
Mamaya ko na mabasahin yan.
Making peace with your pace.
Ito, TikTok. Ano ang favorite?
Embrace the suck. Nice.
And then last two ko,
Last two.
sabi ni Coach Bennett,
Ah.
there is a reason why 50,000 people are doing it and 2 million are watching. That's 5 km. If your legs feel tired, run with your heart. Aww!
Aww.
Ito po yung aking peanut butter. Wala ko sa kata Robinsons.
Tingin.
The best yan. Peanut butter and jam.
PB&J.
With bread. Yun lang kakainin natin. Plus, pre-workout powder.
Dahil,
Lots of water! Water! Water!
ipopost ko pag ganyan ka ng ganyan.
Yes! The magic of
Banana.
banana. Why? Para no cramps.
Ah, no crumbs
No
pala
cramps.
yun.
Tsaka fiber.
Hindi ang nagtataka ko eh. Because it's a big shot in New York.
Excuse me. As far as I remember, ako ang pinakusa ko
Nanood pa siya ng movie eh. Ah, na playlist mo.
Playlist ko, meron ako run beats and run hataw.
Oh.
The difference, run beats is for beats. Run hataw, mabilis na, minsan. So, number 1 playlist ko dun sa run hataw. As it was ni Harry.
Woo! Ten 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 ten.
Ay, run hataw ko ay Shake It Off the Pain.
Shake it up, shake it up. Totoo naman.
Then, naisip ko, post ko after the race.
Oh.
Hey, look, ma, made it na. Parang ka-disco.
Grabe, very panic girly pala ito.
Ah! Defying Gravity. Ah!
Ay, oo nga. Actually, oo nga. Bagay, maganda yung beat ng Don't Stop nila. Ano?
Vida la vida.
Tama.
Ganda rin. Kaya sa bunso.
Dun, 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 dun,
Pero
dun,
favorite ko
dun.
for now ay Unknown. Unknown talaga. Ano sana yung nakabutan ng araw?
Yeah!
Yeye! Good luck! Sabi ko, Yeye, respectfully, ba't ka tatakbo ng marathon?
Why are you doing that?
Exactly. Pag nag 50 km na ako, ba't ko ba ito ginagawa? Masarap to parang gabi.
Patikim?
Kanga! Kanga! Kuha ng snack.
And then, dito sa race na to, walang places. Walang first, second, third. Kasi finish strong lang yung round.
Ay, ang ganda.
Lahat kayo medal, lahat kayo panalo. Walang nauuna, walang nauuna.
Ay, ang galing. Last minute check. Go.
Time check, 10:40.
Okay. At pupunta ka sa warm up. Bye. Good luck, Le. We love you.
Tanda.
Bye.
Wala ako pagkita na.